Welcome to this peaceful guided meditation. A gentle journey to awaken your mindfulness of thoughts. Find a comfortable position. You may sit or lie down. And softly close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. Fill your lungs completely. And exhale slowly, letting go of all tension and stress. Allow your body to rest. And your mind to settle into this very present moment. Let the outside world fade away, as your awareness turns gently inward. Now, begin by noticing your breath. Feel the rhythm, the rise and fall of your chest. Or the gentle movement of your abdomen. There's no need to control it. Just observe it, as it anchors you to the now. As you continue to breathe, bring your focus to your thoughts. See how they appear in your mind. Like soft clouds drifting across a calm sky. Some thoughts may be bright and light. Others may feel heavy or dark. Whatever they are, just notice them, without any judgment. If your mind starts to wander, or gets caught in a chain of thoughts, gently return your attention to your breath. Let your breath be your anchor, bringing you home to this peaceful moment. Remember, the goal is not to stop your thoughts, but to simply observe them, with kindness and curiosity. You are the observer, watching your thoughts pass by, without being carried away by their stories or emotions. Notice the pattern. Sometimes they rush like a storm. Sometimes they drift like a breeze. Whatever their rhythm, know that thoughts are temporary, not permanent, and they do not define who you are. If a thought carries strong emotion, sadness, anger, fear, don't resist it, don't fight it. Simply allow it to be seen. Offer it kindness. Let it pass naturally, like a wave returning to the sea. With each breath, you are creating gentle space between yourself and your thoughts. A space filled with clarity, calm, and freedom. In that space, you find the power to respond mindfully, instead of reacting impulsively. Now imagine your thoughts as leaves floating on a quiet stream. Watch them drift away, one by one, as you sit in stillness on the riverbank of awareness. Feel peace growing within you. A deep sense of calm that comes from knowing you are not your thoughts. You are the conscious witness behind them. As this meditation nears its end, take a moment to appreciate yourself for choosing to pause, to breathe, and to reconnect with your inner peace. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Move your fingers and toes softly. Take one last deep breath. And slowly open your eyes. Carry this stillness and mindfulness with you throughout the rest of your day. Remember, you have the power to observe your thoughts without being ruled by them. Let this awareness be your peace, your clarity, your freedom. Dove, thank you for joining this meditation. May peace and mindfulness stay with you, wherever you go.